The world is changing. Traditional banking systems are being replaced by a more secure, faster, and entirely self-controlled financial system. Today, we will explain why cryptocurrencies are so powerful and why they are a more reliable alternative to banks. And of course, we will show you how Free Crypto Mark not only provides knowledge, but also delivers real value through free coins. The foundation of cryptocurrencies lies in blockchain technology, which is not just ordinary software, but a true revolution. Blockchain ensures transparency. Every transaction is recorded on the blockchain, but these records are fully encrypted. This means no one can see how much money you have or whom you've paid. The structure is so secure that it's nearly impossible for hackers to break the chain. Blockchain is decentralized, protected by thousands of computers worldwide, instead of a single bank or government. This means your money is fully under your control. It belongs solely to you. Exchanges play an essential role in the crypto world, but concerns about hacking risks sometimes arise. However, you can eliminate these risks entirely. You don't have to store your crypto assets on an exchange. Instead, you can transfer your funds to a physical device like a USB stick, known as a cold wallet, to keep them completely secure. Cold wallets are not connected to the internet, so the risk of hacking drops to zero, ensuring your funds remain safe indefinitely. In our upcoming videos, we'll show you in detail how to use cold wallets and safeguard your funds in the most secure way possible. Some may wonder, what happens if an incredibly powerful computer emerges in the future that could hack the system? The cryptographic techniques used in the crypto world are so advanced that even the most powerful computers in the world would need billions of years to crack them. Moreover, crypto technology constantly evolves to stay one step ahead of potential future threats. It's not just the most secure financial system today, but also the one for tomorrow. The story of cryptocurrencies began in 2009 with the mysterious figure Satoshi Nakamoto. Satoshi introduced Bitcoin as a decentralized financial system, and no one could have predicted the revolutionary changes it would bring. Who is Satoshi Nakamoto? Their true identity remains unknown to this day. Whether it's an individual or a group is still a mystery, but this revolution has turned Bitcoin from being worth only a few cents into one of the world's most valuable digital assets. This story is yet another proof of how inspiring the crypto world is. At Free Crypto Mark, we offer not just knowledge, but also free coins in return for learning. By watching our videos, you can learn the secrets of the crypto world, step by step gain knowledge, and strengthen your financial independence. Free Crypto Mark is more than a learning platform. It's a community that delivers real value to you. As you learn with us, you'll progress toward financial freedom while earning coins that boost your budget. Free Crypto Mark opens the doors to the crypto world for everyone. We stand by our technology and education, offering you a path to fully control your financial future. Are you ready for a safer, freer, and fully self-determined financial system? We're here for you. And are you ready? On January 14th, we're starting. Like every year, we're kicking off with amazing gifts. By watching our videos, you'll not only learn, but also play an active role in shaping this future. The doors to the crypto world are open for you. Act now, learn, and start earning. For more information, watch our other videos. With Free Crypto Mark, there's always something to gain.